Crimson Garuda 470 TP or trans point versus Hell's Chain or Chain Incendio 560 high taper. Let the battle begin. This battle is basically Karura or Karla versus Bird or Robin Kazami. So let's start the battle. This battle actually did happen in the manga, so it might actually happen in the anime since we're slowly kind of adapting the manga at the moment. So let's start the battle. Before we get started, I want to say, if you want to support this channel and get Beyblades for yourself, please go to some of the links in the description. Some of the links lead you to Beyblade sites like Mall of Toys and Bays and Bricks, and for all those links, they're actually meant to kind of support the community, and you can also support the channel in the process whenever you buy from those sites. So if you want to support me in a financial way, you can use my coupon code or click the links in the description. The coupon code is called the Legendary R. 5% off on Mall of Toys, 7% off on Bays and Bricks, and 10% off on bulk dominoes. So if you want any of those things, then feel free to go to the links in the description, or just basically use those coupon codes at checkout for those discounts. And if you want to support me in a non-financial way, you can like, comment, share, subscribe. All those things help a lot. So thank you, I appreciate it. And my new subscriber goal, since we reached 3,000 subscribers recently, thank you so much for that. I'm on to my next goal, which is 4,000 subscribers. So let's get to it. And now, let's continue the video. For this battle in the actual manga, there were actually both modes shown, so I'll try to kind of switch between both modes of trans point as we go along. And now, let's start the battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Hell's Chain is hitting really hard. Garuda's trying his best to stay safe. Maybe it changed modes, who knows? Garuda's holding on. And Hell's Chain takes it around with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Most people say that Garuda bursts, so that is interesting. Crimson Garuda takes that round with the burst finish. Oh wow, it actually, hopefully I don't cut this part of the video, but it actually switched modes from low mode to high mode. Interesting. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Garuda's holding on. Garuda's trying his best. It's slowing down though. And Garuda goes down. Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa, missed. Crimson Garuda takes that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Well, I have to count that, so Crimson Garuda takes that round with the over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Wait, I have to redo that. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! That was crazy! Wow! Really big hits from both sides. And Hell's Chain takes the round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Burst finish. Crimson Garuda takes that round with the burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. One big extreme dash. Crimson Garuda's holding on. Crimson Garuda's not looking too good. And Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Hell's Chain takes that round with an over... I think that was an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! That was almost an over... Oh, wow. Crimson Garuda takes that round with an extreme finish. Got himself extreme finish after a lot of clashing. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Well then, just well then. Crimson Garuda takes that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Hell's Chain takes that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Really big hits. Crimson Garuda sound like it changed modes. I think it probably did. Either way, his stamina is really low. And Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Big hits. Crimson Garuda is holding on. Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! You know what? That's up to you. It's kind of up to you. Because I know that I could say it was a burst finish, but I think it's up to you, or I might put it on the screen, I'm not entirely sure. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Again, Crimson Garuda takes that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! That would have been an extreme finish if Garuda didn't. Wow! If Garuda didn't deflect, then that would have been an extreme finish. Garuda takes that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, Garuda's way better than I thought. Like, being able to deflect so many attacks and still keep going. Wow. Hell's Chain takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa. Crimson Garuda is just taking these hits. Crimson Garuda is trying his best, and Crimson Garuda takes the round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Crimson Garuda takes that round with an extreme finish. And wow, it switched modes too. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, big hits. It's coming down to the wire. If only Garuda changed modes, that will save it. Oh, and Garuda takes the win with a spin finish. Oh, and it didn't even change modes either. Wow. Still in high mode. Okay, so that battle was really interesting. I really didn't expect for Crimson Garuda to do as good as it did, especially since a lot of people say that it's like a burst risk whenever it's in high mode. And I used to believe that, but this battle changed my mind pretty much. Either way, I'll announce the winner now. The winner is Crimson Garuda, 470 trans point. So, like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. See you next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary. Stay legendary.